welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. In honor of school starting right around the corner, I am going to teach you how to draw a school bus character. So go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and we'll get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our school bus characters. The first thing we want to do is we want to draw a straight line, and that will serve as the top of our school bus here. Now from there we're going to create two sides, one there, and the second side over here, we still want the same kind of curved line, but we're going to bring this line down further. Alright, now we'll create the front of the bus. So we want to bring a line, if you think about this as being about the halfway point in between our shape here, we want to bring a line that comes almost halfway, and then we'll curve out to create the front of the bus. Right, now we'll work on this bottom edge. So we'll travel in, and we've got to make room for both of the wheels. So 1, 2, and then connect here. All right, we'll start with our wheels. So one oval there with a smaller one inside of it. And another one up here. A little one inside there. And then we'll see a hint of the two wheels from the other side. One there. And one there. All right, now we get to start on all of our detail work. So there's our basic structure. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put this big window right in the front here. And we'll put a line through the middle. And this is where we're going to put the eyes of our bus. So we want to put two upside down letter U's here. And then we'll create this top shape. A couple little details up here. And now if we think about this as being a shape, we want to start in the center of this with another smaller rectangle, and that's like the grill area. So we'll put a couple lines in here for detail. And we'll put the mouth of the school bus right underneath of that. So we'll start with another straight line, followed by a curved line. Right, and then two circles on each side here. And two eyebrows. We'll put the mirrors on either side of that windshield. So we'll put 2 lines there and 2 lines there. And then 2 more rectangles for those side mirrors. All right, now we've got room for about 3 windows here in this space. They're going to be rectangles as well. 1, 2, and 3. Add a couple more stripes here for details. And then we'll add these areas here for the bumper. Bring that all the way across here. All right, we'll add an indication that there's a road underneath of our school bus. All right, and then we can put a little exhaust pipe with a little puff of exhaust back here. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our school bus character. The next step that we are going to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. All right, illustrators, there we have our school bus characters. The last step that we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Fantastic job on your school bus characters today, illustrators. I wish you all a very happy new school year, and I will look forward to seeing you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye.